Welcome to this video on enhancing substance use disorder care with artificial intelligence. We will introduce cooccurring.ai and explore how the AI Chat Explorer, or ACE, serves as a promising adjunctive self-help tool for individuals navigating substance use and co-occurring mental health challenges. When used ethically within a clinical framework, AI platforms offer key benefits. They provide adjunctive support between counseling sessions, offer a private, low-barrier space for psychoeducation, and facilitate the independent practice of coping strategies discussed in therapy. Integrating digital self-help tools aligns with SAMHSA Guidelines. Tip 21 encourages client autonomy. Tip 42 addresses co-occurring challenges like mood and stress. And Tip 35 utilizes non-judgmental automated chat to help reduce stigma during the early stages of change. Patient confidentiality is paramount. Cooccurring.ai maintains safety through in-memory processing that does not store data, ensures regulatory compliance by avoiding EHR-linked complexities, and establishes clear clinical boundaries by instructing clients to use the tool on their own personal devices. AI is a supplement, not a replacement for human care. While ACE provides evidence-based exercises, it cannot formulate diagnoses or manage crises. The counselor remains the essential anchor of treatment, leveraging the therapeutic alliance to build trust in ways an algorithm cannot. By recommending purpose-built tools like cooccurring.ai, counselors provide 24/7 support for self-regulation. This technology manages routine psychoeducation and in-the-moment grounding, which allows counselors to focus their time and energy on deeper, relational clinical work. This concludes our introduction to using AI as an adjunctive tool in clinical care. Thank you for watching.